Have you ever wondered how Lay's potato chips are made? How does a simple potato from a farm turn into one of the world's most famous crispy snacks? In today's video, we are going to take you inside a modern potato chips factory and show you the complete process step by step, from fresh potatoes all the way to the sealed packet you buy in stores. Make sure to watch until the end, because today you'll see some amazing machines that can turn thousands of potatoes into crispy chips within minutes. So, let's begin. Everything starts at the farm. Large potato chip companies like Lay's work closely with selected farmers who grow special varieties of potatoes. These potatoes are carefully chosen because they contain less water and more starch, making them perfect for crispy chips. Farmers take great care of these crops for several months. Once the potatoes are fully grown and ready, giant harvesting machines collect them from the fields. The potatoes are then loaded into huge trucks and transported to the factory. As soon as the trucks arrive, the potatoes go through a quality inspection process. Workers and automated systems check the potatoes for size, freshness, and quality. Small, damaged, or rotten potatoes are removed immediately. Only the best potatoes move forward in the production process. After inspection, the potatoes travel on conveyor belts into the washing section. Since potatoes come directly from farms, they are covered in dirt, mud, and small stones. Powerful water jets clean the potatoes thoroughly. Some factories even use rotating washing drums that scrub the potatoes while spraying water at high pressure. Once the potatoes are completely clean, they move to the peeling machines. This is where things get really interesting. The peeling machines can remove the skin from thousands of potatoes in just a few minutes. Some factories use steam peeling technology, where high-pressure steam loosens the potato skin instantly. After peeling, the potatoes are inspected once again. Workers remove any dark spots or damaged sections that could affect the quality of the chips. Now comes one of the most important steps, slicing. The potatoes enter slicing machines equipped with ultra-sharp rotating blades. These blades cut the potatoes into extremely thin slices at incredible speed. The thickness of each slice is carefully controlled, because even a small difference can affect the final texture and crispiness. After slicing, the potato slices are placed into large, cold water tanks. But why? This process removes excess starch from the potato slices. If too much starch remains, the chips may stick together or become uneven during frying. The cold water also helps keep the slices fresh and prevents discoloration. Next comes the drying process. Before frying, excess moisture must be removed from the potato slices. Special drying machines and air blowers reduce the water content. This step is extremely important because too much water can cause problems when the slices enter hot oil. Now we arrive at the most exciting stage of the entire factory process, frying. Massive industrial fryers are filled with hot, edible oil. The oil temperature is carefully monitored using advanced sensors and computer systems. The potato slices move continuously through the fryer on conveyor systems. Within seconds, the slices begin turning golden brown and crispy. At this stage, the entire factory smells like freshly cooked potato chips. The frying process must be perfectly timed. If the chips stay too long in the oil, they can burn. If they are removed too early, they may not become crispy enough. That's why modern factories use automated systems to control cooking time and temperature with extreme precision. After frying, the chips move through vibration conveyors and air blowers that remove excess oil. Now the chips are crispy, light, and ready for flavoring. The chips enter giant, rotating seasoning drums. This is where the magic happens. Different flavors are added depending on the product being made. Some chips receive only salt, while others are coated with barbecue seasoning, cheese flavor, sour cream and onion, chili flavor, or spicy masala seasoning. The drums rotate continuously to ensure every chip gets evenly coated with flavor. This is why almost every chip inside a packet tastes similar. Once the seasoning process is complete, the chips go through another quality inspection. Modern factories use smart cameras, laser sensors, and AI systems to detect broken, burnt, or defective chips. Any chip that does not meet company standards is automatically removed. Now it's time for packaging. This part of the factory moves incredibly fast. Automatic packaging machines weigh the chips and drop them into packets within seconds. Have you ever noticed that potato chip packets look full of air? That air is actually not regular air. Most companies fill the packets with nitrogen gas. Nitrogen helps protect the chips from breaking during transportation and also keeps them fresh and crispy for a longer time. Once the chips are inside the packet, the machine seals it instantly. The manufacturing date, batch number, and expiration date are then printed onto the packet. Finally, the packets are packed in large boxes and prepared for shipping. Trucks carry these boxes to supermarkets, grocery stores, and shopping malls across the country. And eventually,